Hi guys, Kevin here. Welcome back to the BitsTribe channel. Today we are taking a different approach to lifestyle product featuring dental care routine with the Bitvae R2 rotary electronic toothbrush right here. So let's see what it has to offer when it comes to its bristle technology, its multi-mood, its battery life, and more importantly, how it feels in the hand ergonomically using it, and how do I experience it after using it some time. Let's see if it can brighten up your shine and make you smile healthier. The Bitvae R2 comes with this plastic travel pouch right here that houses the electronic toothbrush and two brush heads right here. So you can actually, one person use two different brushes. I'll explain the differences shortly. Or you can carry a spare, or you can actually carry one more just for your plus one. So I'm taking out to show you how it's assembled and disassembled. It's relatively easy. So to attach it is quite easy. Just attach it vertically, remove it the same way. Now, looking at this toothbrush, definitely there's a size difference versus a regular. This is my old soft toothbrush right here. Bye bye, long time no use this. So basically you see the size difference, it's significant. Now this toothbrush, it's fine. I've been using it for years right now. Not say the particular, this one toothbrush, but the series I've been using for 1 year now. It's definitely usable, it's user friendly, it's light, travel friendly, but again, there's a lot of void area right here. So if you are like me who, one session of brushing your teeth and gums is about 5 minutes and I brush 3 times a day, definitely, it feels a little bit tiresome in the hands. Whereas the toothbrush right here, despite its bigger size, is actually much more comfortable to feel the void areas and comfortable to hold. You can see the grip is such a way difference right here. So this is me, my hands is about 18 cm. If you are Western or a black person, definitely your hands is bigger size. It is still comfortable versus getting a stick and putting into your hands. Now the weight right here is about 148 grams including the brush head. Now the reason for its heavy weight is because of its bigger battery size right here. It's meant to last up to 30 days of battery life, presumably 2 sessions of brushing a day. And to get 30 days of battery life, you just need to charge only 3 hours and it lasts you that long. Now, despite its name having have the word electric toothbrush to it, not to worry, this is also IPX7 water resistance. So let's run through the details right here. Now, the reason why it's called a rotary, toothbrush is because the brush head, I'll just take it out so I can show you. The brush head actually moves in this pattern right here versus other electrical toothbrush that goes vertically vibration or horizontally vibration. So this is what they meant by rotary. Now aside from that, you have your power button. Okay, so I on it. Now this LED right here is very important. It has front and back. It'll tell you when you apply too much pressure by the red LED. Aside from that, this button right here changes the mood from clean, sensitive, white, gum care, and tongue. The bottom of the toothbrush features the waterproofing cap for the Type-C charging port right here. The charging LED indicator is actually located on the front bottom part right here. Reading shows it's charging, static or turn off means it's fully charged. You can also put it upright position, but again, I prefer it flat down for stability reasons. The package also includes a Type-A to Type-C charging cable with Velcro right here. Awesome experience for cable management. And more importantly, a total of 8 brush heads is provided in the package. 6 is the standard round bristle for teeth cleaning, marked in blue right here. Close up right here. And the other 2 is marked in grey for your around the gums and gums area. So you can see that they are actually quite different, and in the camera it's not so obvious, but the grey right here is definitely softer and finer, whereas this one right here is more stiffer in my opinion. So let me share with you my user experience going to a manual stick like this to the R2 right here. So this stick right here, the profile is ultra fine tips and soft brush head right here. I spend about 5 minutes a day to brush my teeth, gums and tongue. So basically I set like one part of the mouth, like the bottom left 1 minute, bottom right 1 minute, top right 1 minute, top left 1 minute, front and back obviously, and also the tongue area right there. And I do brush very aggressively to a point that sometimes I don't feel the pain, but I see blood spots, so that tells me that I over brush myself. And I brush about 3 times a day, just before breakfast, after lunch, as well as before sleeping. So transitioning to the R2, I would say it takes about 3 days to get used to it, because versus a stick, if you are many years using a stick, you know the aggressions, the speed, the angle, the attack thing, etc. Going to this, the brush head is smaller right here, but definitely the brush head size does not affect your brushing experience. It's just you need to spend a little bit more time more accurately at one particular teeth, going to the next, etc. So this one took about 3 days just to get used to the overall handling, the feel, etc. And it's fine, but just that when you power on this toothbrush, it's auto set to last 2 minutes of runtime, and it'll give you a noticeable nudge to tell you that 30 seconds has been passed. So you have to spend like 30 seconds in one section, front and back, then it'll nudge you, you go to another section, they nudge you, another section, nudge you, another section. But the thing is, you are spending about 2 minutes on this. And if you are a geek like me who wants to spend 5 minutes, definitely I had to spend 2 sessions. That means 2 minutes right here, just to get my dental care done. Now, this means the battery life. So if I brush 3 times a day, 2 sessions each, it would be 6 total sessions. And if I check on my notes right here, the battery lasts me about 12.5 days. Now, if you're using the toothbrush right here, brush time, brush twice a day, 1 session each, it will definitely last around the 30-day mark. So the battery is kinda accurate right there. Now again, they recommend to change the brush head every 3 months or so. On their website, I hope they do sell the grey brush head right here, the replacement, or even finer and softer. I think a lot of people, especially the Asian market, would prefer that, because brushing with thicker, harder brush head is good to remove plaque, but when you want to brush with the gums, you tend to bleed yourself. So far with the grey head right here, no bleeding. It's amazing. Ending this review, I would have to say that the price point offered by Bitvae for the Daily R2 right here, it's surprisingly affordable versus staple brands like Oral-B, who's supposed to be the people's brand, selling at a better volume at better price, but they went for lower features and higher profit margins. So Bitvae right here looks to be the people's brand, offering a lot of accessory, a lot of brush head replacement, decent features, basic features that you need. They also have higher end toothbrush with app control, with UV sterilization, etc, etc. But this R2 alone is good for your everyday consumption. The basic needs is right here, the warning, the battery life right here, the practicality, the ergonomics right here. I think it's a wise choice to give them a try. And if you're interested, I leave links in the video description as per usual for all my videos. And I would actually say that, for the first time, electric toothbrush feels better than a typical stick. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and let me know what do you think about electronic toothbrush in the comment. What do you think about this brand right here? Share your feedback right here. Don't worry, I won't delete any comments. And let me know what should I review next, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Till then, get your dental care up, and I'll see you smiling.